Okay, Dan, we'll see you soon. Thank you. A Fort Worth man is suing a former Lake Worth police officer in federal court, calling an incident where he was running away from police on foot and was hit by a chasing police SUV excessive force.
Now, video from the dash cam and body cam from that 2020 incident was made public, but we do want to warn you, it's rather intense. So this is the video from the dash cam right as then Officer Jonathan Granado ran over Dustin Bates at the end of a motorcycle chase, again, November 2020. The officer left the department last year. Bates had fled from a traffic stop, and it was later found he had drugs on him and he did have an active warrant. Neither the former officer or Bates was charged with the crime. Now Bates is suing that former officer. Fox 4's David Santendry joins us now with more. David.
Well, as you mentioned, Heather and Steve, the officer was not charged, but the lawsuit claims that the officer intentionally hit the motorcyclist after he crashed his bike and ran away.
5:30, he's running.
Dash cam footage shows now former Lake Worth police officer Jonathan Granado attempting to pull over motorcyclist Dustin Bates for a license plate that didn't match his bike in November 2020. Bates, however, sped off. The chase lasted roughly 2 minutes before Bates crashed his bike and ran off. That's when the officer drove his SUV off the road and hit Bates head-on. A different angle.
He's running on foot.
Granado's body camera footage reveals the officer cursing right when it happened.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
He called it an accident.
I hit my brakes and it slid, and I hit him with the front of the car.
He ran, turned around me.
Probably shouldn't have ran then. I know.
The department says evidence suggests it may have been an accident.
So as soon as he applied the brakes, the car began to go into a slide.
Bates' attorney, James Roberts, believes it was intentional.
Literally leaves the roadway, tracks Mr. Bates as he runs through the field, turns his car and runs him down going 45 miles an hour.
Bates filed a lawsuit Monday. His attorney admits he shouldn't have fled.
The decision to flee was a poor decision.
However, he adds,
in America, you don't get hit with a car for making just a poor decision.
I wish we wouldn't have collided with Mr. Bates. I wish he would have surrendered. I wish that we could have taken him into custody peacefully without injury to him or anyone else.
Lake Worth police say Officer Granado was allowed to pursue.
It is, but just because you can doesn't mean you should.
But he violated several safety protocols. He was suspended for 2 weeks but remained with the department until he resigned last month.
I wish that it wouldn't have happened. I wish that different decisions had been made.
Grand Prairie Police led the criminal investigation into Officer Granado's crash in an attempt to be an unbiased third party. The case was sent to a Tarrant County grand jury, which declined to indict the officer last year. The Department of Justice and FBI also declined action.
What's your first name? Dustin?
Bates was eventually arrested and charged with evading arrest and drug possession. Police found meth on him and also learned he had an active parole warrant. However,
all of the charges were dismissed.
Court filings show Tarrant County District Attorney Sharon Wilson signed the motion to dismiss the charges. No further information was made available. Since the incident, Bates' attorney says his client has undergone surgeries and has permanent scarring from his injuries.
He broke Mr. Bates' back, he fractured his spine, he broke his leg, and he fractured 3 of his ribs.
Roberts believes there's no excuse for the crash, that it was a violation of his client's Fourth Amendment constitutional right, citing excessive force, and is seeking unspecified damages. The police chief also called the crash preventable.
It was due to the officer's poor judgment.
This lawsuit is against the individual officer and not the police department. Steve?